Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are worried that your iPhone might be tracking or listening to you in the background, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly turn off all those settings and protect your privacy. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Disable Siri Always Listening. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Siri. Tap Talk to Siri. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri. Also switch off Allow Siri when locked. This makes sure Siri isn't listening or responding you when you don't want it. Step 2. Turn off location tracking. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. You can turn it off completely or just permission for each app. Set them to never or while using the app. This helps stop apps from constantly tracking where you are. Step 3. Stop saving significant locations. While still in Location Services, scroll down and tap on System Services. Then tap Significant Locations. Unlock with Face ID or your passcode. Toggle the switch off. Your iPhone will now stop saving a history of the places you visit most often. Step 4. Manage microphone and camera access. Go back to Privacy and Security. Tap Microphone and review which apps have access. Turn off the ones you don't need. Do the same under Camera. This prevents app from secretly using your mic or camera in the background. Step 5. Turn off Apple Analytics. Stay in Privacy and Security and tap Analytics and Improvement. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics and any other toggles you are not comfortable with. This way, Apple won't collect extra data from your device. And that's it. You just taken control of your privacy by stopping your iPhone from tracking you, recording you, and sending extra data in the background. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.